So after a bit of a trek into the national park, I finally can see the waterfall. And the waterfalls up close, you actually get to spray off them. It's like the cleanest, greenest water, and I'm so tempted to jump into it because it's absolutely roasting hot here, but it's not allowed, unfortunately. But that's how clean the water is here in this national park in Croatia, and Bosnia is just over the mountains, so pretty close to it. And I just found the biggest waterfall in the whole of Croatia. Here it is.